Your iPhone might look locked, but someone could still access important things without unlocking it. Today, I'll show you real iPhone security settings that actually protect your device, not tips you already know. These settings are hidden deep inside iOS. Most people never change them, and one wrong toggle can expose your private data. Let's fix that. The first one requires attention for Face ID. If you go to the settings, then Face ID in passcode. Here we have require attention for Face ID. If this is turned off, Face ID can unlock your phone even if your eyes are closed or not looking directly at the screen. When you turn this on, your iPhone unlocks only when your eyes are open and looking at it. This protects your iPhone if you're sleeping, unconscious, or someone tries to unlock it without your attention. Next, we have Disable Control Center when locked. Under Face ID in passcode and then allow access when locked. Your iPhone can be locked and someone can still open Control Center. From here, they can turn on airplane mode, disable internet, or even mess with settings. Turn Control Center off here. Now nothing opens unless the iPhone is unlocked. Then we have wallet and payments on lock screen. Wallet access on the lock screen might look convenient, but it also means your cards are one double click away. If you want maximum security, turn this off. No unlock, no wallet. After that, reply with message on lock screen. Under allow access when locked, this one is dangerous and nobody talks about it. If this is on, someone can reply to messages without unlocking your iPhone. Turn it off to stop anyone from sending messages as you. Then we have notification previews. Under settings, then notifications and show previews. By default, your messages, emails, and codes can appear on the lock screen. Change this to when unlocked. Now, notifications show, but the content stays hidden until Face ID confirms it's you. Then we have Siri when locked. Under Face ID in passcode, again, here we have Siri. Siri can work even when your iPhone is locked. That means someone could make calls, send messages, or access info using your voice. Turn Siri off on the lock screen for full protection. Then USB restricted mode. Under settings, then privacy and security. This one protects you from advanced attacks. When USB restricted mode is on, no USB device can connect to your iPhone if it's been locked for more than an hour. This stops hacking tools and unauthorized accessories. Important for travelers. Then we have stolen device protection in privacy and security. This feature protects you even if someone knows your passcode. When enabled, sensitive actions like changing your Apple ID or password require extra verification, especially useful if your iPhone is stolen outside your home. Now we have lockdown mode, extreme security. Under privacy and security in the settings, this is Apple's strongest security mode. It limits messages, web content, profiles, and connections. Not for everyone, but perfect for journalists, activists, or high-risk users. Then we have App Privacy Report. In the settings, then Privacy and Security, if you want to know which apps access your camera, microphone, or location, enable App Privacy Report. You'll be shocked how often some apps track you. Apple gives you powerful security tools, but never tells you how important they are. Changing these settings can make the difference between a locked iPhone and a protected one. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe for more iPhone features Apple doesn't explain, and share this with someone who thinks their iPhone is already secure.